Good morning, Primary 5. I am Mrs. Ola, your math teacher. Our lesson today will be Lesson 3 from Unit 1, Ordering and Comparing Natural Number. Today we will learn a new method. How can we represent any set of natural number on a line which is called number line? Okay. Every natural number represented by 1 point on a straight line which is called number line. The distance between two consecutive points are equal. Okay, so when I make a line and put the point inside this line 0, 1, 2 and so on, the distance between each two number will be equal. The distance from 0 to 1 is the same distance from 1 to 2, the same distance from 2 to 3 and so on. Okay, on this number line, when you're moving to right, the number will be increasing. Okay, and when you move to left, the number will be decreased. So I can say 3 is greater than 2, okay, because I'm moving to the right. Now, also I can say 2 less than 3. When you move to the right, the number will be increased. Okay, the origin of the number line will be 0. So if I have elements like A, B, C, D, and E, okay, and this number or this letter are representing on the number line, complete using greater than, smaller than. A and D, okay, as we said, when you're moving to the right, the number will be increased. So D here is greater than A, or A less than D. C and B, okay, C is right to the B, so C is greater than B. E and A, E is right to the B, so E is greater than A. B and D, B to the left of D, so B is smaller than D. Okay, so remember, when you move to the right, the number will be increased, and when you move to the left, the number will be decreased. Okay. Now, if X is a natural number, and I can say X is a number smaller than 4, can you tell me which natural number smaller than 4? It will be 3 or 2, 1 or 0, okay? But when I say X is a number smaller than or equal 4, it's a new sign, smaller than or equal, okay? That means the number will be smaller than or equal 4. So it will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and also 4, okay? When I say X is a number greater than or equal 4, I will start from 4. So the number will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. But when I say X is a number greater than 4, this number can be 5, 6, 7 and so on. So be careful for the new sign, smaller than or equal, greater than or equal. Now let's see how can we represent a set on the natural number. When I say set Z is a set of 1, 2, 5 and 7. Okay, actually it's an infinite set. We will represent each element by point on the natural number. So I will make point on the number 1, number 2, number 5 and number 7. Okay? But when I say X is a set of 3, 4, 5 and so on, it's been this infinite set. Okay, actually number line is the only method which can represent an infinite set. Okay, we can put point on 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on and make ray moving to the right to say that this set will not, is an infinite set, has no end. Okay, so if the set is ended, you will put the point only. If have infinite set, you will make a ray to represent this set to say it's infinite set. Okay. Now, if X is a set of 1, 2, 3 and 5 and Y is a set of 5, 6, 7, represent the following set on the number line. X intersecting Y. Where is the common element between X and Y? It will be only the set of 5. So you will make a point on the number 5 to represent the set of 5. Okay, X union Y. all the elements found in x and y without repeating. So the answer will be the set of 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, we will represent each element by a point on the number line, and its infinite set I will make an array. Now, represent each of the following set by listing method, then represent it on the number line. Set Z is the set of odd number between 3 and 11. Can you tell me which is the odd number between 3 and 11? It's the set of 5, 7, and 9. So you will represent each element by a dot on the number line. 5, 7, and 9. Okay. Set M is the set of A, which A is an element belong to N, and A greater than or equal 4. Set M is the set of A, which A belongs to N. It's a number belong to N, and this number is greater than or equal 4. What is the number that greater than or equal 4? It will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. I started from 4 because I have here sign greater than or equal, and this set is all the elements which belong to N, so it's infinite set. So you will put the dot from 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on, make array. Okay, moving to the right, it's infinite set. Okay, this exercise is from your school book, page 9. Write the following set using listing method and represent it on the number line. X is A, which A belongs to N, where A is between 0 and 4. All the number between a natural number between 0 and 4. It will be the set of 1, 2, 3. Okay, you can represent each element by a dot on the number line. It's infinite set. Okay. Number 2, Y, which A belongs to N, and A is greater than or equal 3. What is the number, the element which is greater than or equal 3? It will be 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay, you will put each number by element by dot on the number line and making array moving to the right to represent its infinite set. Okay. Next one. Z is A, which A belongs to N, and A is a number smaller than 6. What is the natural number smaller than 6? It will be the set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, here you have smaller than only. Okay, so you will not write 6. Represent each element on the number line. It's infinite set from 0 to 5. M is a set of A, which A belongs to N, and A smaller than or equal A, and A smaller than or equal 5. You will write all the number between 2 and 5, included 2 and 5. So it will be the set of 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, here you have the sign equal from the both sides, so you will write all the number between 2 and 5, included 2 and 5. So it will be the set of 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, represent each number by a dot on the number line to represent this set. Write down the represented set on the following number line. Okay, here on number line you can see 1, 3, 5, and 6. Okay, it's infinite set included this number, so it will be the set of 1, 3, 5, and 6. Okay, here there is array. It's infinite set. Infinite set included which element? 0, 2, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so it's a set of 0, 2, 4, 5, and 6 made dot is infinite set. When you find the array, that means it's infinite set. Okay, third one, on the number line you can find dot on 5 only, so the answer will be the set of 5. Now represent the following on the number line. Set of prime factor of 30. Okay, what is the factor of number 30? Factor of number 30 mean the number when you multiply the answer will be 30, but he asked here about the prime number. Okay, you can make factorization. Okay, to this to 30, or you can think about the factor of 30, which is prime. Okay, now this factor of 30 is 1 by 30, 2 by 15, 3 by 10, and 5 by 6. Okay, do you have any prime number here? Actually 2, 3, and 5 are the prime factor of number 30. So you'll represent each number by a point or dot on the number line, 2, 3, and 5 only. Okay, other factor not prime. So represent the prime factor 2, 3, and 5 on the number line to get the answer. Okay, I hope you find it easy. That was our lesson today. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.